And a live look outside at Buckingham Fountain. Just a beautiful way to start the week. Meteorologist Steve Baskerville is here tracking more heat and humidity on the way. Steve?
Well, Erica, it is going to build each day this week. I think we'll feel it more on Wednesday than we will tomorrow, though tomorrow's going to be warmer than the weather today. Outstanding. Might not even be overdoing it. I mean, it really is nice outside. 72 degrees, says Patrice, in the city, in the West Loop. Can't find fault with today's weather in the West Loop. She wants more of this kind of weather. I don't think so. I think maybe tomorrow, but then it starts to get a lot hotter outside. 84 degrees, says Paul, and Paul lives in Salmonock. Nice sunny day. Dew point has a lot to do with this weather story. We'll take, with all that rain and water up north, there are still some places that have not had a lot of rain lately, like Plainfield. The lawn's turning brown with the temperature of 89 degrees, plenty of sun. That's going to be one of the areas heating up. Maybe tomorrow you'll start to feel it in Will County. Let's look at these dew points around the area. It feels comfortable around O'Hare. 53 degrees is a dew point there, 57 in the city. Man, nice weather when the highest dew points we can find are only in the low 60s. On our scale, it goes all the way up to 70. We're in that pleasant range with that 55 to 60 degree dew point. What's the reason why? High pressure in charge in just the right spot to keep winds coming in off the lake. What's behind that warm front? A lot of concern for the middle and end of the week, not because of rain, but heat. We're going to be on the northern edge of it. We're not going to get the kind of weather that Peoria or Champaign or even St. Louis will get. That's an excessive heat warning in St. Louis from Wednesday straight through the weekend. The watch is on. The heat index could be anywhere between 100 and 110. That's south of us, but as close as Peoria, and you can take that kind of weather all the way over to Omaha and Kansas City. It's that high that unfortunately sometimes it sets up and won't move very much to change the weather. What it's going to do for us, rotating around the edge of it, will be thunderstorms. So we've got rain returning Wednesday and Thursday and toward the end of the week as well, as that humidity and heat will build. So Wednesday through the rest of the week, especially, we've got that thunderstorm chance. Here's a quick look at Futurecast saying no weather worries tomorrow, but notice what happens as the day wears on. Look out in Iowa, look up in northern parts of Wisconsin. You can see another line of showers and storms trying to form. It moves toward us in the overnight hours. At this point, looks like we get a break with some of the heaviest rain on Wednesday morning, but we still have a chance of rain in some of those same flooded areas sort of dotting the map on Wednesday afternoon. Could be that kind of situation every afternoon with the way the weather is setting up. And starting off with plenty of sun in the 60s tomorrow, keeping that sun symbol up. If you live near any of these towns, these are your highs. Flossmoor coming in at 88 degrees, Joliet 87, and that humidity starting to move in that direction, but not tonight. Clear, cool weather, 63, nice and comfortable, almost spring-like after dark tonight. And for the next 7 days, not complete washouts, but unfortunately we are watching out for scattered showers and storms straight through the end of the week and the weekend around here.
It's that time.
We'll take these couple of days that we have and savor them. Yeah, all right. Thank you, Steve.